This brand name is licensed to Nordyne, which is a subsidiary of Nortech Global HVAC. The units are available through their dealer network in the USA but are made in Mexico. All of the units feature louvered panel construction to protect the coil. The guarantee on the units is very good and includes their dependability promise, which provides for unit replacement if the compressor fails during the warranty period. The CSH3BE is a basic model with a swept wing fan for enhanced sound control and all aluminum coil construction to prevent corrosion, but all aluminum coils are harder to repair than those that use copper tubes. They have a 15 SEER cooling efficiency and an 8.5 HSPF heating efficiency, as well as microchannel construction, which enables a more compact unit. The PSH3BF models are premium units with 2 stages of heating and cooling with state-of-the-art CoreSense onboard compressor protection. The units have a compressor blanket and swept wing fan for noise control, as well as a 9 HSPF heating efficiency. The PSH1BG models are ultimate units with state-of-the-art compressor technology and the ability to communicate with the rest of the home's heating and cooling systems for enhanced comfort and energy savings. They are very quiet during operation, as the noise level in low speed is less than that of normal conversations. This brand receives an overall 5-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.